Hey guys, it's G and welcome back to another video. So today I am actually going to be testing out and trying Khloe Kardashian's recipes, and this is all because of Dose & Co. They are a brand that actually sell protein powders, and they've actually collabed with Khloe. I think she is like a huge part of Dose & Co as a company, and she has actually released a whole range with them to create a whole line of collagen powders that is so incredible for like your nails, your hair, your skin. It's meant to do wonders, and I actually got sent 3 of the powders along with all of these recipe cards that literally say Khloe's chocolate smoothies, Khloe's banana bread. Like, these are all Khloe Kardashian's recipes, which I think is so cool, and I'm really excited to try because they look beautiful. They look so yummy. So without any further ado, if you want to see what recipes that I tried out that Khloe Kardashian has basically put on paper and it's literally approved by her, then just carry on watching. So for the first recipe that we're going to be trying, Khloe's Vanilla Berry Smoothie Bowl, and this we are actually using the Dose & Co Vanilla Collagen Powder. This is huge and it smells insane, so this is what I'm going to pop into the smoothie bowl. So let's go. Alright, so that is the finished smoothie bowl. As Mum just said, not American, but we love you, Khloe. This is the finished smoothie bowl. It looks absolutely beautiful, and as you can see, we've just put our toppings on. I'm going to take a spoonful. I feel really bad ruining this, but I don't want to. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Should get a bit of pumpkin. Oh, yeah. I've just ruined it.
Just everything.
Oh my god.
Oh, the crunch.
Oh my god, that's insane. That is beautiful. It's so creamy. Love it.
And Helen, this is
oh my god.
It actually does 2 bowls.
Yeah, so you've got another half here. Here's what we prepared earlier. So yeah, you've got another half. What could you just put it in the fridge and use it later?
You could drink it as
yeah, you could have it as a smoothie
or someone else. If there's 2 of you.
Yeah, you could have this as a serves too.
So thanks, pass me that and I'll have that.
There you go. So for the second one, we're actually going to be doing the double chocolate smoothie, again, Khloe's recipe. So for this recipe, we're actually using the Dose & Co chocolate collagen protein powder. So I've actually just realised that this is the chocolate fudge one. So this is what we're going to be using in the chocolate smoothie. I'm not really a huge fan of chocolate smoothies, but I'm dying to try this out because I feel like it's going to be very different, and the ingredients in it is just insane. So let's do it. So here we go, this is the blended, ready to drink chocolate milkshake. It looks beautiful, and we're ready to pour it in a glass. Alright, so I have the smoothie right here, it looks beautiful. Just gonna pop in my clay one stick. So that is not normally what I would drink. Like, I'm not a fan of chocolate smoothies or milkshakes, but I think if you left out maybe the cocoa powder, that would be beautiful. I actually really like the chocolate taste. In this, it's not overpowering. I think maybe the cocoa powder that we use is quite bitter. And it has also got a dark chocolate in it, so I feel like you could maybe swap using like milk chocolate or something. Considering it's not normally like what I would drink, I feel like a lot of people would enjoy this because it's not overpowering with chocolate. It's not sickly. It's like a very healthy version of a chocolate smoothie, and it is beautiful. Like the consistency is lovely. But I just think it needs to be a bit sweeter. The avocado in it, I think, is what I can taste, and I really like that. Also, with the recipe, we actually had avocado in it, and that's what I think makes the smoothie really nice. Like, it's got that really nice like taste to it, and it's got a really nice creamy taste to it, which is why I actually kind of got a bit addicted to it. So the avocado in that is beautiful. Really love it. Then for the last one, we have Khloe's banana bread. Then for the last one, we have Khloe's banana collagen bread. This looks beautiful. Look at it. Oh my god. And then for this one, we're actually using the Dose & Co vanilla dairy-free collagen creamer. You don't have to use a Dose & Co for these recipes. You can easily replace them with whatever protein powder or collagen powders that you like to use personally. But since this is like the whole theme of the video, and this is what I received in the box, we're going to be following with using Dose & Co's products, which are very exciting. So the banana bread is out of the oven, and we're going to cut a slice to taste. Oh my god. The best banana cake we've ever made, you know. And it was so simple. Wow. That is a 10 out of 10. It's so moist in the middle, isn't it?
Don't you dare.
Cheers. So that's the end of today's video. I do hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you will be trying any of these recipes out. There are a lot more on their Instagram, so definitely check that out. And also, I will leave like the recipes and stuff down below, which I think will be on their website, so everything will be easy to access. If you want to see more, then let me know. And yeah, I had so much fun filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.